Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Circdehsonae. I will be posting as many Halloween tutorials as I possibly can. I'm not going to promise 31, but I will do my best. Okay, moving right into the tutorial. Alright, so jumping right in, I'm going to take this foundation from NYX Cosmetics in Vanilla, which is super light. You can definitely use your own shade, really up to you. I'm going to use this concealer from ColourPop, and this one is in the shade Pale. Then we're just going to go in and start to blend everything out. Alright, so now I'm going to take a white liner and I'm just going to start mapping out my drips that I want. You can do this in whatever shape you'd like or however you want it to shape around your eye. But I decided to go a little bit above my eye here, like in the liner, just to make it more prominent. And then we are going to do the exact same thing on the body. Jumping into the eyeshadows, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Rainbow Halloween palette. I'm just going to take the two oranges in this palette and just start to roughly apply this all over my lid. And then I started to contour with a little brush, but I needed a bigger brush for sure. And I'm just going to contour and blend some of that yellow in as well. This can be super messy. It doesn't really matter. The most important parts are your drips. So just go ham, add whatever color you want, and just do it how you want to. Here I am taking a little bit of the NYX Cosmetics Liquid Lip Liner in Orange County. And I'm just going to obviously fill in my brows. And then we're going to take the Graftobian UV paint, and this one is in the shade Orange. It is super bright on its own, and it's even brighter under UV lighting. I'm just going to start outlining my drips. I'm not going to lie, I did go a little bit over my outline and kind of corrected my drips as I went and just saw fit on my face. And then I did connect my liner to my drips just to, just to complete the look. We are going to take a smaller brush and I'm just going to fill that in. As you can see, it already looks super neon, but it looks even better in UV light, I promise. We're going to do the exact same thing. We're just going to fill in the neck area as well and fill in the drips on my chest. So because the actual paint itself is super neon, it's reflecting off my camera, but I did go in to the darker orange in my palette and I started to add a little bit more depth on the bottom portion of the drips. I went in with some red just to kind of add some dimension to it because it was looking a little flat. And then using the same NYX Cosmetics liquid liner or lipstick, and this one is in Orange County. It's obviously super bright. It matches well with the rest of the orange. I did want to go for a monochromatic look, but you can totally change this up to your liking. We're going to go in with the Mayron Aqua paint, and this one is in black, and I'm going to carefully outline all of my drips. You know what they say, once you go black, you can't go back. If you mess this up, it's over, it's done. So please take your time, be very patient, and just kind of, outline everything slowly, and you'll be great. So the rule of thumb here is just to outline any very prominent areas or anywhere where the orange is. Just be super careful when you're using the black, and just go ahead and do any type of harsh outline. It's gonna all fit together. I did the exact same thing on my chest, and then I went in with the BH Cosmetics UV highlight, and this one is in yellow. I'm just going to highlight these drips again just to add some dimension so they're not that flat. We are going to add a little bit of a detail line, so I'm just going to take that black again and create a secondary line. I did splatter some white paint on my face. I added some contacts and I popped on my wig, and bam, we look cute. I absolutely love this look. It's super easy, super effective. And you can literally do this look in under an hour. So if you're looking to respect the drip and turn into a neon drip, color drip, whatever kind of drip, just respect the drip, go ahead and do this tutorial for Halloween. I hope that you guys like this one. This is one of my favorite looks because number one, it's my favorite color. Look at the way it looks under black light. It looks even better. Other than that, I love you and thank you so much for always supporting my art. We will see you in the next Halloween tutorial. Ciao.